What opens before you is the dashboard of PowerPoint. Here you are presented with built-in themes. You can also search for themes online using the keyword search in this search bar. Adjacent to that is a thumbnail showing your logged in status. You can switch account whenever you want. On the left side, it is the list of your recently used or edited PowerPoint documents. You can click on any of the documents and you will be navigated to that. Since we do not have any document over here, we'll begin with a blank document. For instance, your PowerPoint interface will look like this in the start. Beginning with the top left, the set of icons are part of Quick Access toolbar. As the name suggests, these contain frequently used shortcuts like undo, redo, and save. Any item from the ribbon can be clicked and added to the Quick Access toolbar. In the top center is the name of the document. It's an empty, unsaved document. We can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S or the one from the Quick Access toolbar to save the document. We can save it on computer or on OneDrive. For instance, we'll save it on desktop of our computer. Let's call it document 1 and press enter. This not only changes the name of our document but also saves it. Adjacent to that are the buttons for closing the document, restoring the document, and minimizing the document. While this button deals with auto-hiding this ribbon, showing these tabs, and other commands. Below the title toolbar is the main ribbon. It has tabbed structure. The first tab in the ribbon is File tab. It acts as the backstage for the document. It contains options related to opening a new document, opening a previous document, saving the current document, saving the current document to some other destination, printing the document, sharing the document via email, presenting it online while publishing slides to a SharePoint site. Export option is an interesting option. It contains features like publishing the current document in PDF format as a video and other options possible. Account option deals with your Hotmail account, product activation, any updates available, and your OneDrive account. Options tab is available for you to amend any built-in features of PowerPoint as you like. Feedback option is available for sending Microsoft any feedback about their product. Then it is the Home tab. It is divided into sections according to their work. First we have clipboard and copy paste related options. Prior to others, Former Painter is an awesome option. We'll discover its magic in the next section. Then there is the section related to slides. It has features like adding a new slide, deciding its layout, resetting a change on a slide, and inserting a section. Next to this is the text editing section, in which we deal with font, font size, bold, italic, underline, shadow properties of the text, overline, letter spacing, and other properties. In the paragraph section, we have options related to text alignment and line spacing options. The drawing section has shapes and other options related to arrangement of shapes above the other shapes and shape coloring. The last section in the Home tab ribbon is the Find and Replace section. It can be used to find and replace a word in the whole of the document. Insert tab is also Section tab. First section is the New Slide section, same as it is in the Home tab. It can be used to select different formats for new slides. Table section can be used to add tables of our need and other features related to that. Images section contains features like adding pictures from computer, finding pictures online, and taking a screenshot of screen. This also contains screenshot of screens already visited. Photo album option is for adding text boxes and pictures singly or collectively to make presentation about photo albums. Illustration section is about built-in shapes. Smart Art contains built-in templates for object arrangement. These objects can be pictures or text. While Chart option contains built-in templates for all the possible charts, which can be edited as per needed. Add-ins section contains add-ins available at Microsoft Store and the list of your add-ins. Hyperlink and action in the link section are related to much of the same thing. They can be assigned to objects. When clicked, hovered over, they can navigate to a web page, slide of the same presentation, or any location in your own computer. We will explore it further in the next section. Comments is used to add comments to the current slide. Text section contains very crucial features, of which text box is the most frequently used. The rest have the same interface. The date and time, the footer and header all have the same interface and can be used easily. Symbols section is all about adding mathematical equations and science related symbols. Media section is about adding video and audio features to your presentation, while screen recording allows you to record a video from screen and PowerPoint will add it afterwards. Design ribbon deals with design of slides and their backgrounds. Transition ribbon deals with how we move to the next slide, will there be any sound, what will be its duration, and when and what a mouse click does. Animation ribbon is about effects of individual objects, their duration, their start time, and order of animation. This section and the previous two sections are a great tool to beautify your presentations. We'll explore more of them throughout the course. Slideshow ribbon contains features for setting up presentation on your desktop and presenting it online. It also has features for rehearsing timings according to your content, while setup slideshow includes show types, whether presented by a speaker, browsed by an individual, which has windowed appearance. There is also an option to make presentations for kiosk screens at malls for shoppers or people walking by. Review tab as its name Review tab as its name suggests Review tab as its name suggests is for reviewing the presentation. Review tab as its name suggests is for Review tab as its name suggests is for reviewing the presentation. It contains features like spelling check, Review tab, as its name suggests, is for reviewing. Review tab, as its name suggests, is for reviewing the presentation. It contains features like spell check, translation to other languages, adding and removing comments. Comparing the documents lets you select any other presentation from your computer and compare it with the open presentation. Start inking, it lets you highlight and edit the document with marker and pen features. View tab contains various views for your presentation as suggested by the first section of this ribbon. Master Views contains very important features. Slide Master lets you add permanent features to a slide layout, and these layouts are in the Insert tab option, which we saw in Insert and Home ribbon. These two views are also part of Master Views. These are important if you want to view your presentation in handout or notes format. Show section has rulers, grid lines to align objects. Zoom section is about increasing the size of a slide or setting it to fit to window size. Color tab can be used to move from color to grayscale and black and white type to save color costs in printouts. Window section is to toggle between different windows of PowerPoint and other features like cascading between the open PowerPoint windows. Macros Recorder was a feature to automate similar tasks. However, it was excluded from PowerPoint 2013 and 2016, and it rather links to Visual Basic application after you write your name and description in the window which appears once you click Macros.